Aquarius, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Aquarius, these are just the insight for you, so that you can stay focused on those things which can be helpful for you to achieving blessings from the universe, and just stay away from all those kind of things which can be a blockage in the way of your success and happiness. Okay, so just stay focused for the good things. And this is from 26th through 1st of November. So yeah, let's see what is coming for the Aquarius. What is coming for the Aquarius right now? 7 of Pentacles. Okay, this is the energy. Knight of Cups, 3 of Cups, Lovers, Gemini energy is here. Ace of Pentacles, wow. King of Pentacles right in the heart of your spread. So maybe some of you are dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Or wow, Cancerian, Gemini, Cancer, 10 of Wands, Transformation, Scorpio energy, and the Ace of Swords. Wow, beautiful. So Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords are telling me, wow, 2 of Cups. Whatever the deck we have, the 2 of Cups. I hope you can see the cards clearly. Yeah, so this is beautiful energy for you guys. I'm feeling happy for you. I'm feeling that someone, maybe it's you, Aquarius, maybe it's your person, someone is waiting for something to come towards them, and now whatever they're waiting for, that is coming. Maybe some of you are waiting for a love offer that's coming, and you will feel very happy, and you will feel very abundant and lucky, like you're enjoying the moment and something like that. And with this Lovers card, most of you, I'm feeling that this is a love offer coming your way, and like whenever this offer come to you, you will feel that strength in that connection with that person, whoever is coming to offer their heart to you. Wow. Okay, with this Ace of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Chariot, I'm feeling that maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancerian or Gemini or Scorpio, okay, or an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Whoever is this person, they are very stable. Okay, they want to really offer you this stability. I'm feeling they have made up their mind, and now no more delays. Yeah, see, Chariot is a very fast moving energy, and they want to come towards you at this speed, okay, for knowing your answers. So yeah, beautiful. 10 of Wands, Transformation, and the Ace of Swords. Yeah, whatever was the baggage before, that will go away very soon. You are putting that to an end with this Transformation card, and you are going to transform yourself, and you are going to speak the truth. Like things are going to be in your favor. Things are going to speed up for you, and this is victory, this is success, this is your, like, you are going to be victorious. And I'm feeling that you have waited for this kind of opportunity for a very long time, with the 7 of Pentacles present here, and now time for the fruition. Beautiful. What is the 7 of Pentacles for the Aquarius, please? What is the 7 of Pentacles? 5 of Wands, 8 of Wands, Page of Wands. Wow. So many wands are telling me that, yeah, this person is now wanting a new beginning with you, with the Fool card present here. This is also Aries energy, and for some of you it's elemental air, which is Aquarius energy. So 5 of Wands, 8 of Wands, and the Page of Wands are telling me that, yeah, whatever was conflicted before, no more, because clarity is coming with this communication with the 8 of Wands energy, and with this Page of Wands, I'm feeling that you are very busy on doing those things which are making you happy, which are actually you're enjoying to do that, those things in your life, like you're enjoying by doing all these things. And then, because you are now in the higher vibration energy, things are coming towards you. 8 of Wands are also downloads from the universe, and this is communication. This will resolve all those past conflicts, See, Seven of Pentacles with the Five of Wands. Past conflicts will resolve for you. Definitely. Okay. Let's see what is this Knight of Cups here. Knight of Swords. Fast moving. Two of Swords. Temptation. Yeah. Wow. This person wants your answer fast. Like, they will ask to you, they will wait for 1 or 2 days or maybe 1 or 2 hours, and then they will ask you, like, tell me what is your answer, tell me what is your answer. And Aquarius, you are trying to be like in the thinking process. Okay, you are in that thinking process with the Two of Swords energy, because this person wants the answer fast. Okay, so you are thinking because you just don't want to be stuck in any kind of karmic chapter again, any kind of karmic cycle again. That's why you're taking things slow. I'm feeling that you are you have waited for this for a long time, and now you can you want to think about it. Okay, you want to take time, and that's it. That's okay. That's okay for you. If you want to take it slow, then take it slow. Okay, beautiful. But this person really want it very fast. Let's see what is this Lovers here for Aquarius. Aquarius. Eight of Cups. Star. Magician. Wow, beautiful. Wow. So Aquarius, I'm feeling that yeah, this is a decision for you. See, Lovers, this is a decision for you. This is the like that point for you to make a decision, for decide what you really want to do in your life. And you are telling to this person that's yeah, I want a spiritual connection, and I want you to take the responsibility of your own. Okay, as well, because the person is the Magician. Okay, they are single, they are, you know, very independent, they know how to manage their life, manage their work, like they're very independent. Okay, and I'm feeling that this person, Star with the Magician, they want to manifest you. They really are manifesting you, because they think that you are special for them. You're special. Wow, you're special, and you're destined to be with this person. I'm feeling that. And with this Eight of Cups, I'm feeling that you are going to meet this person on your life path, when you are on your spiritual journey, when you are like very spiritual, very in the higher vibration energy, and this person is also on that higher frequency level like you. So that's why you're going to meet this person. That's why destiny is trying to you know, connect both of you together. It's beautiful. They think that you are special, very special. What is this Chariot here for the Aquarius? Wow, Wheel of Fortune. I have saw that for you. And what's this? Justice. Oh my goodness. And Seven of Cups. Okay. Wow. Wheel of Fortune, Justice, and the Seven of Cups. I'm feeling that, yeah, again, destiny, universe, divine intervention, whatever you want to call it. The universe is trying to connect both of you together in a beautiful marriage. Maybe for some of you, you are having so many options. Like, this person is daydreaming about you. This person is continuously thinking about you. This person is actually trying to connect with you, maybe on that you know, spiritual level. But because you are both of you have maybe connected in the spiritual level a long time ago, and now this is for the 3D life, because balance, this is like, yeah, this is reality for you. This is like both of you are now going to meet in this lifetime together on the 3D level. Okay, so wow, it's beautiful. So many major arcanas in your reading, and I'm feeling that universe really wants you two together. Wow. So let's see what is this transformation here. This person really wants to change things for you very fast. They want everything very fast, because I'm feeling that they also were waiting for the right partner, and when they have seen you, They are like, yeah, this is my person, this is my partner, so I just don't want to waste my time. So yeah, I'm feeling that this person now wants to enjoy their each and every moment of like their lifetime with you, and they just don't want to waste any time without you. Temptation. Okay, so we have Nine of Cups and the Fool. And where is the next? Knight of Pentacles. Wow. Wow. So yeah, Fool. This person wants a new journey with you. I'm feeling that this person, yeah, they were also searching for you, because they want only that kind of partner in their life which will be also complete, which can feel like the person that can feel whole within themselves, within their spirit. And then you are like that, you are right, that person for them, and you're also searching for that kind of person, Aquarius, which so both of you are now on the same frequency. That's why universe is trying to make you like strong, okay, like this connection. Beautiful. Wheel of Fortune with the star. Amazing. This person is manifesting you, no doubt, and you are manifesting them, no doubt. Okay. Ace of Swords, please, for the Aquarius. Okay, what is this? Five of Pentacles. And Eight of so many cards. So many cards. Four of Wands, Four of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles in reverse. What is this? Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, okay. Knight of Wands, Six of Cups. So I'm feeling that, wow, this person is feeling left out in the cold, and I'm feeling that this person is passionate about you, missing you, trying to reconnect with you, trying to put in the work within the situation with you. They were holding back. Maybe with these cards, I'm feeling that this person and you, both of these are the mutual feelings for both of you. I'm feeling that both of you have passion for each other, both of you want to work things out with each other, both of you are missing each other. And then with the Four of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Two of Pentacles, both of you know that both of you have some kind of deep connection with each other. Okay, there is a strong soul connection between you and them, because we have the Six of Cups as well. Okay, so definitely both of you are holding back, but no more, because Two of Pentacles is in reverse. No more confusion, no more regrets, like regrets of holding back. Okay, so no more confusion, and both of you have made up your mind. This is the vibe I'm getting. Like if this is Four of Pentacles, like this is not like that holding back, like not speaking. I'm feeling that both of you are holding on to each other, because both of you have still love for each other. If this is a new person, you will feel that sudden spark within yourself, within your heart, within your soul. And if this is the past person, both of you are holding on to each other, because this connection is very strong. See, Six of Cups with the Four of Wands. It's a strong connection, like divine counterparts, eternal partners, like. So this is beautiful. This is I have for you, Aquarius. I hope it helped. Wow, I hope it helped. Empress energy. Okay, this is the situation where you're going to. This is your destination. Beautiful abundance. So this is I have for you. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.